3 goals today was not good enough, 100%. That's a very important part of the game, and very disappointing today.
The confidence of this team's been down at times, and the team's been criticised for going behind in games and then not being able to make a response. No, we didn't go behind today. We led 2-0, a very difficult place to come to, and then having them get it back to 2-2, the team showed the character that they do have. So it was very positive.
Very difficult match. I have to say that Stoke started strong, and after that they defend with absolutely everything, with great emotion, with great aggression, but good aggression, not a negative one. They did everything to try to defend their goal, but in spite of that, it's a match that we have to win.
So we miss a lot of chances, and it's a déjà vu. It happened at Everton, at home, it happened at Chelsea, it happened many games. So we have problems to score goals, but what can I say?
Manchester City was better than us. After 90 minutes, first half, we didn't play in the way that we wanted to play, and it was a tough game for both sides. I think important was massive point for us.
When you're 10 against 11 with 2 minutes to go, it's difficult to win the game, but we are a team who keeps going no matter what happens, and that's a good quality.
2 last-minute incidents against the same side, home and away, has cost us 2 points. That's a bizarre an unfortunate twist of fate, that's for sure.
I'm pleased because after this weekend, you can see that when I talk and I tell that this league is very difficult and doesn't exist easy game, it's the reality.